So today you are to work on your morning meeting. So hopefully you did that already and you're ready to check it. So today's date I had 12/9/20. You might be 12/10/20, whatever date you did it. Then we have the pattern. It was 223, 233, 243, 253, 263, 273, 283, 293. Then you have to go over into the 300s. When you add 10 to this, it goes to 303. And of course, like I just said, it was a plus 10 rule. We added 10 every time. Okay, so how many paper squares are needed to make the design in this shaded area? Well, if this is one paper square, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 whole squares in the middle. Then if I put this half and this half together, that'll give me 9, and this half and this half together, that will give me 10 paper squares. So that's the answer. 67, I picked something like 77 minus 10 equals 67. The money, 5 quarters, 1 dime, and 4 nickels. When you add that up, you get $1.25, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. 155 cents or $1.55. And the time was 10:45 p.m. because it's nighttime, and the hour hand is getting close to the 11, but not there yet, and then the minute hand is at the 45 mark, which is the 9. Also today, you were to complete your written assessment on the front and back. I can read that to you. Cheryl had 4 dimes and 3 nickels. At lunchtime, she spent a dime and 2 nickels. Draw a picture to show what happened in this problem. So you need to write it out, draw the pictures, put their amounts inside each one, and then show that she spent a dime and 2 nickels, and then add up what she has left, and write how much money Cheryl has left in 2 different ways, like we do every morning for money. Number 2, you can pause me at any moment during this test and do that part that I just read, and then unpause me and we'll move on to the next question. Number 2, the children in room 13 have 46 pets. The children in room 20 have 40 pets. How many pets do the children in both rooms have altogether? You need a number sentence with labels on every number. Every number needs a label. And then you have to write the answer again on the answer line with a label. Number 3. Write these numbers in order from least to greatest. So the numbers are 424, 279, 120, 375, and 193. Start at the smallest number, the least, and go to the greatest number. Number 4, it's morning. What time is shown on the clock? So on this question, you need to tell me what time this says right here, and you need to put a label with it to show that it's morning. Then down here, you need to show 8:15 on this clock. You will put the hour and minute hand on this clock to show 8:15. Number 5, find the sums using mental computation. 1 plus 5 plus 9 equals, okay, I want you to do the V's, the circling, to figure it out. 6 plus 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 8. Again, I want you to do the V's and the circling that we do to figure it out. 3 plus 6 plus 7 plus 1, it's vertical, but you still need to do the V's and the circling to figure it out. Make sure you put the answers here, here, here. On the back. Number 6, circle half of the stars. What is half of 16? So count the stars, circle half of them, and tell me what number that is. What is half of 16? Number 7, circle all the combinations that equal 48. 2 10s and 18 ones, 4 10s and 18 ones, 2 10s and 28 ones, 3 10s and 18 ones, 4 10s and 8 ones. Circle all the combinations that will get me to 48. Think about your ones and your 10s, okay? Number 8, complete the number patterns and write the rules. blank, blank, 150, 125, 100, blank, blank, what's the rule? And then 395, 396, 397, blank, 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 what's the rule? So write those in, think carefully, check your work. Number 9, draw 11 quarters, and I do want you to label them. How we should label quarters. Please label their value inside. And then circle, if there's 4, every 4 quarters you circle, right? And write the value of those coins in 2 ways. Okay, what's the value of 11 quarters? Okay, write it in the 2 different ways that we write the money. And number 10, find the answers using mental computation. 54 plus 30 equals 40 plus 25 equals 17 plus 60 equals 70 plus 26 equals 42 minus 10 equals, and 52 minus 10 equals. Don't forget, there's 2 subtraction problems there. Okay, so pay attention to what you're doing. All right, when you're done, your parents can text me both sides of your test, or you can just return it to me in paper form to school someday soon. But I would love to see it, your work. All right, be sure to do your best. Bye-bye.